morning, ladies and gentlemen, and it is a beautiful morning. Even although the sun is just about to poke his head up over there, I'm still getting 6 amps of solar, and diesel heater's flat out. It's cold, so well, he's shut down now. I can't hear him. Coming on, explain what I'm doing. I'm now out for a considerable length of time. No, the daughter hasn't kicked me out. Just look at that little cottage there. Oh, it's a lovely little cottage, huh? I think it belongs to the farm that I'm on. I was quite surprised. This farmer, he doesn't advertise, he doesn't push it. The pub, I'll explain. The pub I normally go to at Grange Mill, which is the Hollybush Inn, I was devastated to find out that he'd shut it down. It is a fairly run-down place, but you know, I pushed him because I thought he needed the trade, and he did. And then he spent an awful lot of money building a campsite, prepping a campsite on the front of it, which he did very well. And he's gone and shut it down. I don't know why. I'd got the pub number, and I'd got even, you know, that's how often I'd been there. I'd even got his mobile number, but he wasn't even answering that. So I did stop there to find out it was shut down. So I carried on. Full stop. I went on, and I wanted to get as close really to I'm on my way to the Midland self-build meet, which is being held at the moment. I think they've only ever had one. I am a member. It's another Facebook. So they're connected with South Central self-build get-togethers, and they're up here in Blakewell. So I came up a lot closer, and I'll put it on the screen. But I found a pub, a little tiny pub, way out in the sticks. The road to it is right up the top of that hill. A fair bloody, yeah, it warmed the brakes up coming down. Pulled up in the car park. They said, look, ever so sorry. I asked if I had a few pints and something to eat, if I could stop in the car park overnight. And she said, awfully sorry, I don't want to upset my neighbours. So, as you can see, it is immediately next door to the pub, and the other campsite is the other side of the pub, but that was uphill. I didn't want to go over there. And he's just over there, a couple of doors down. And I do believe they're both a £5 a night per person. So I've parked up for £5, which I didn't really mind. So I'll put the name of the campsite up. He says he doesn't advertise it, but you know, he's got a sign out on the road. It is only a small sign. I'll show you the sign. And yeah, I mean, I'm so quiet. He's put me in the very front field because I said I didn't want to walk far, and there's a fair flat space down the bottom there. I'm on a fairly level sitting. There's another flat spot down there. All that's quite sloped. There is flat spots on it. I've put, be able to get my van a little bit more level, I've put double chalked because I knew it was going to sink into the grass. That's it, I'm coughing again now. So it was my grandson's birthday, my birthday, and my daughter's birthday, all within 2 days of each other, and we had one hell of a party. So I've got a real sore throat from shouting and screaming and dancing, and sore knees and sore legs and sore arse. Yeah, so this is just to explain where I am, what I'm doing. Oh, that's a cold draft. I don't know whether that's coming out on the mic. That is a cold draft. So yeah, just to let you know where I am, what I'm doing. I'm going to this Midland meet, and then I got a long trip back down south, and I'll let you know where that one is closer to the day. I will film over this weekend now with Midland, this Midland meat, just to see how it pans out and if it's any better than the South Central meat. Hopefully there's going to be a fair amount of work done that I can get my beady little camera into the middle. Right. I think it's a hare.